What's up, everybody? This is Ben with a really quick update here. I'm going to try to do this in 2 or 3 minutes. If you like what you hear, like and subscribe, that whole deal. Here's a Bitcoin daily chart. We are at a very, very critical point here. We have been all day. Bitcoin really trying to push through this resistance line here. And we got a couple things that could happen. As the daily closes, let's see, we got a couple more hours here. You can see that the 9 is starting to make that curl just a bit here, and that's great to see. But I want to see Bitcoin come out of here and retest 42, which is this level here. 42 is significant to me because it is this level here, which was the top of that previous all-time high before we made all this mess here and came back down. The other thing I'm watching very closely is this RSI, which is we've been on a downtrend since the middle of February. Haven't been able to. We broke through a couple times, but was easily sold off. So I'm looking for this, like everybody else, this double bottom pattern here. But it would probably be more like this, where we retest 42 and try to get up into here and break out and retest and then go. But I've said it a lot of times, double bottoms that fail usually turn into double tops, which is another continuation down. So that's an option as well. This is why I'm really only watching the Bitcoin chart right now, because this kind of determines pretty much the fate of everybody, I think, at this point. If Bitcoin decides to pull something like this and fall down through here, then that's not going to be pretty for anybody. So we really want to break this level right here on the daily. We want to close above, and we want a strong day tomorrow that tests 42. I don't care if we break it on the first try, but I want to hit it. I want to stab it. I want to go at it a few times. I want to see it really try to take action here. But the problem is there's so many people that are shorting this area right here because they expect Bitcoin to come down and retest this area maybe one more time. And then we'd try again, to come back up. So we'd come down, maybe give one more shot at this to try to break out and then go to 42. So that's my thought on Bitcoin. Something to really watch for. If you look on the hourly, we are barely above it on the hourly. So we're fighting it. We're fighting it out here. We are kind of flagging out a bit, which is good. And the 9 is kind of pushing up just a bit, which is great. RSI is picking up on the hourly, so short term looks pretty good. I'm still looking for that daily close. Let's take a look at HBAR, which had a really good day, kind of an asking you shall receive, right? I've been asking for volume. We got some more volume today. Still not. I'm looking for some nice volume, but this is good. We're actually turning up here a little bit. And we made this move up. We reclaimed our major long-term support line here. So we're going to close above that finally after, a week or so below, which is great. You can see exactly where we've got stopped, which was our middle channel line here, which is why that's in there. So you guys can refer to that. I kind of see this maybe playing out in here underneath this center channel and our support line, maybe playing out and hopefully breaking above. My magic number for HBAR is 28, which is this horizontal support line here. So I want to see us break above and recheck this and come up and start attacking this top line of our channel here. But I'm bullish on HBAR. I like this move. I like what it's doing. It's trying to put in its own double bottom pattern here, but just like anything else, if it can't break this middle channel, this point right here of your W, your middle part, if it can't break that, then it's just going to turn into more than likely a double top, which is going to lead to more downside. So we're really watching this. We want to see some strength and push through here to come up and break and at least get up into this zone again for HBAR, and then I will start getting excited. But this is it's nice to see this, and looking forward to more from that. Look at ALGO. This is how I can give you an example. Kind of a different situation for ALGO. It's really making that double bottom. Here was its middle channel, right around on here. You can see it broke through that today. So it is looking more like it is going to confirm and at least come up, probably hit this 50 MA and give a little check back down. That was kind of messy. this 50 MA here. It'll probably hit it, come back down a bit into this world, and then take another shot to try to get up into these levels again. So ALGO is doing what I want to see HBAR doing. I mean, look at this volume. It's just building and it's going. It's moving up. It's busting through these MAs. It's busting through levels and putting in a nice double bottom here that I think is going to continue for ALGO. Crazy day for Doge today. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And we'll just probably continue to see that for a few days. Probably see this playing out. And I still think Doge has a lot of room, and I'm pretty bullish on it. I think it's going to go up just because of access, and it's a very popular coin right now, obviously. So that got a little longer than I thought, but it's shorter than the last ones. Big things to watch for daily on the Bitcoin. This is kind of determining everything right now. Can it get out of this zone and come up and retest 42? Can it break this RSI line or not? If it does break it and come up into here, I'm going to get really bullish pretty quick. If this falls down and we come into here, I'm going to get pretty bearish pretty quick. And if we, for God's sake, break 30, you know, it's time to just start saying your prayers at that point. So anyway, that's all I got for you. Watch these on the daily closes, and I'll talk to you next time. Peace out.